Check out these inflatable drones from French company Diadon. Each of these incredible drones includes rotors positioned on inflatable arms, folded and carried in a compact configuration. These drones can be inflated and launched within minutes by a single operator. Because they're completely amphibious and wind resistant up to 20 knots, Diadon drones can be adapted for any environment. Weighing only 200 grams and inflated with a hand pump, the SP20 is small and versatile. Its diminutive size, fixed HD camera, and 20-minute operational time help make it well-suited for quick reconnaissance in limited areas. With its camera mounted on a 2-axis gimbal, the larger MP40 provides 30 minutes of advanced imaging over a broader area. For longer missions that require multiple advanced capabilities, the HP150 can be outfitted with sensors customized to the needs of the mission. Its 3-axis stabilized gimbal provides its camera with a full range of motion. With potential applications ranging from civil or military defense, mountain rescue, and industrial use, Diadon inflatable drones offer an effective portable solution when time is of the essence. Meet the tree planting drones from Biocarbon Engineering, a multinational company with the goal of planting 1 billion trees per year. Planting trees by hand is a long and labor-intensive process. By using drones, Biocarbon Engineering hopes to make a serious impact on improving the environment. First, a fixed-wing drone maps the area of interest, recording data such as topography, biodiversity, and obstructions. A planting pattern is then determined, followed by the release of a tree planting drone carrying 300 seed pods engineered to enhance successful germination. Each drone can cover an entire hectare in 18 minutes. After planting, drones monitor the restored ecosystem and measure its progress. Data from the operation is then analyzed to improve the process, including success rate, growth rate, biodiversity, and topography. It's estimated that 15 billion trees are destroyed each year. Though many are replaced, there's still an annual net loss of 6 billion trees. This erodes the ecosystem, resulting in less biodiversity. Biocarbon Engineering's tree planting drones could make a huge positive impact, 1 billion trees at a time. This is the S-MAD from students at Canada's Sherbrooke University, a mind-blowing fixed-wing drone that can land vertically on a wall. S-MAD, or Sherbrooke's multi-model autonomous drone, was inspired by the perching techniques of birds. Just like our feathered friends, the S-MAD can adjust its flight path at the last possible second and make a perfect vertical landing. The project required thousands of aerodynamic simulations prior to perfecting the flight characteristics. The S-MAD flies horizontally toward the target at between 7 and 9 meters per second, using a laser sensor to detect the wall. With feedback from the laser, controls slow the drone down to between 1 and 3 meters per second. The drone is then tilted into a vertical position as it nears the wall, and thrust is increased to maintain altitude. As the S-MAD touches the wall, its suspension system absorbs the impact forces, and its microfiber feet latch onto the wall's surface. For takeoff, the S-MAD simply engages its propellers. With potential applications such as aerial monitoring after earthquakes or building inspections, this new technology could make quite an impact. Presenting the Avina Air, a new smart drone that allows you to watch over your home from anywhere. With its stable flight, onboard camera, and 360-degree sensors, the Air lets you see and hear everything that's happening in every part of your home. And because the Air Home drone works with your smartphone, you can control it from anywhere in the world. Whether you need to check in on your pet, your kids, or grandpa, the Air is always ready to alert and available. When docked, the Air is your vigilant watchdog with full motion detection. In flight, its mobile camera provides HD photos and 4K video, so you'll feel just like you're walking around your home. Air's ducted fan makes it far quieter than any quad drone. Its blades and moving parts are safely enclosed in a soft but durable shell, so it's safe around children and pets. When you're at home, you can summon the Air with Alexa and even get pictures taken on demand. Even when you're away, your home and family deserve your full attention. With the Air Home Drone, it's almost like being there. Presenting Thor, a mind-blowing drone that transitions from fixed-wing flight to hovering in a completely new way. Drones are great for hovering and vertical takeoff and landing, but fixed-wing craft work best for distance flying. Created by students from the Singapore University of Technology and Design, the Thor, or Transformable Hovering Rotorcraft, can actually transform from hover mode to fixed-wing flight while airborne. To create Thor's hovering mode, the students studied and applied a variation on the monocopter concept, in which a single wing structure rotates to achieve lift. Thor hovers using two wings positioned at right angles rotating as a single structure, with a rotor attached to each wing to provide lift and spin motion. For transitioning to fixed-wing flight, the wings rotate into alignment and assume a traditional aircraft configuration. Centrifugal force transfers the center of gravity from the position it occupies in each mode, allowing the Thor to switch modes without landing. Once the team perfects an auto-rotation system that will allow it to glide safely down without power, the Thor concept could be ready for introduction into industry. Meet the EPFL Folding Drone, a new creation from Switzerland's Federal Institute of Technology that folds up when not in use. The EPFL Folding Drone, also called the Pack Drone, is modeled after the Japanese paper folding art of origami. When not in use, the Pack Drone easily folds down into a compact configuration. Its spherical carbon fiber cage is designed to hold and protect packages up to 500 grams. The ability to fly over obstacles or congested roads has made delivery drones a great solution, but their size makes storage a problem, and their often unprotected rotors can be hazardous. The Pack Drone's folding capacity solves the storage problem, and its rotors are contained within its cage. The package is placed in the center, safely away from the spinning blades. When it arrives at its destination, the receiver can simply catch it with their hands. The Pack Drone is controllable with a smart app, making it perfect for even the smallest companies. With its unique problem-solving design, EPFL's folding drone could soon see the unfolding of a bright future. This is the TCAD Future Soldier, a formidable combat drone from Duke Robotics. Through technological advancements, robots are increasingly replacing valuable human soldiers. At the forefront of innovation, the TCAD Future Soldier is a fully robotic weaponry system on an effective airborne platform. Years in development, this no-nonsense warrior can identify and neutralize hostile forces on command. TCAD is easily carried into the field and remotely operated by a single soldier, providing much-needed air support for ground troops, capable of either water or high-altitude operations. TCAD can access locations soldiers can't reach or shouldn't have to go. TCAD's lightweight robotic gimbal can carry and stabilize a weapon 3 times the gimbal's weight. It quickly adjusts to its weapon's recoil when fired, allowing it to stay on target and in the fight. Having won the 2017 U.S. Department of Defense Security Innovation Award, TCAD has already been ordered by a major U.S. ally and is being seriously considered for use by the U.S. military. In 2017, investment in military drones is expected to reach $10 billion. With drones like the TCAD, that's money well spent. Meet the incredible firefighting drone, a new innovation for fighting high-rise fires. This amazing drone was created by Latvian company Aerons, which also accomplished the first skydive from a drone we previously featured on Freeze Lists. While this drone is far from being perfect, experiments have suggested it could reach fires much higher than truck-borne ladders. With water being sent through a hose from a source on the ground, the drone will reportedly achieve an operational height of 984 to 1,312 feet. The firefighting drone weighs 121 pounds and carries up to 319 pounds of weight. Though that sounds impressive, there are still significant engineering problems. When using a standard fully charged 2.5-inch water hose, 100 feet of hose would weigh around 944 pounds. That's far more than the drone's advertised lifting capacity. Currently, the firefighting drone operates on battery power, but Aerons plans to investigate using electrical cables to increase its power. With the firefighting drone's potential for saving lives and property, let's hope they can perfect it. Which of these new drone inventions impressed you the most? Tell us in the comment section below. Remember, you can now watch Freeze Lists in Spanish on our new channel, Freeze Lists Español. To do so, just click on this link and you'll be directed there. See you next time.